I have always been more of like an abroad girl. तो मुझे traveling और abroad cities बहुत अच्छे लगते थे. तो abroad भी मिल रहा है, MBBS भी मिल रहा है. दोनों एक साथ it's like a combo package. मैं जहाँ जा रही हूँ that is very close to St. Petersburg and that is like a beautiful state. और जो इंडिया के साथ जो रशिया का जो relation है that is the most important part जिससे influence में और हुई. To be very honest मैंने कोई drop नहीं लिया है. I have passed out from 12 this year itself. मैं mostly जो देखती हूँ कि ये जो drop चीज़ है ना ये बहुत influenced होता है कि ये ले रहा है वो ले रहा है तो मैं भी ले लेती हूँ. I didn't allow myself to do that. I know that I'm capable of this. I know my worth. Let's go for it. So I think I have given myself enough opportunity to think about this and to proceed with this. Hi, my name is Jayamita Sinha और मैं Pskov State University में जा रही हूँ and the place I am from it has beautiful doctor hubs to be very honest. Calcutta I think is one of the place people know that good doctors are mostly from Calcutta. So I thought that if they could be in such a noble profession and would get that respect, then I think I might be able to do that for myself. I think I've explored a lot about where should I go, where should I spend most of the time, and so city culture, St. Petersburg attracted me a lot. So I tried to find something that would come in my budget as well as would be nearer to it. So I chose Pskov. I talked with the dean and she is great. I think I loved her. And the hospitality, the charm, everything, I think everything was great. So to be very honest, मैंने कोई drop नहीं लिया है. I have passed out from 12 this year itself and this is the first time. मैं mostly जो देखती हूँ कि ये जो drop चीज़ है ना ये बहुत influenced होता है कि ये ले रहा है वो ले रहा है तो मैं भी ले लेती हूँ. तो I don't think that I have been I didn't allow myself to do that. जो marks मैंने अभी score किया है वो अगर past years में लोग score करते रहते हैं तो they would have got the seat. But right now the competition is increasing. So I think that wasting another year really depends on how much you can do it. I know that I'm capable of this. I know my worth. Let's go for it. So I think that would be the advice, that if you know that you're capable of it, if you know that you have scored the marks that would people die for, then please go for it. I have always been more of like an abroad girl. तो मुझे like traveling और abroad cities बहुत अच्छे लगते थे. So I think I have given myself enough opportunity to think about this and to proceed with this. Abroad भी मिल रहा है, MBBS भी मिल रहा है. दोनों एक साथ it's like a combo package. और जो इंडिया के साथ जो रशिया का जो relation है that is the most important part जिससे influence में और हुई. I have contacted Rus Education from कोलकाता गर्की सदन. The fact that कि वो लोग बहुत ही cooperative है and जब भी हम लोग उनको फ़ोन करते थे कि उनसे contact करने की कोशिश करते थे, they always have entertained us. They are really supportive. I like that fact about them. So I think that would be the advice. Contact someone that would help them out, and if they would come from me, then I would obviously give them Rus Education. And the interesting part that I have already started giving out them Rus Education. The upcoming years there would be students who would come through me. There is no deniable anything about the fact that you guys have helped us so much. Well, it feels surreal to think that I am finally doing it. I am going abroad. I think most of the people around me wanted me to go abroad and they have worked hard for it, and I'm glad that I've achieved it.